Welcome guys to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at the Pluma travel bottles. Now, this is a really interesting little kit. I haven't opened it yet. I just ripped the top just so it wouldn't make so much noise on the video, but let's see what's inside. Here is the actual unit, and it comes with a whole bunch of little labels. So you can label shampoo, sunscreen, conditioner, lotion, face cream. It's got all of those soap, sauce, so you can do all kinds of things with these. Now the outer case is a rubber silicone. It's pretty nice. This top should just, it's just plastic, just pops right off. And I have 4 little bottles. And the bottles fit in nicely. They're shaped so that they'll slide together, and they have little grooves so they just kind of connect. Now the one thing I'm going to point out to you is each one of these is a little different. This one is going to be great for lotions and things like that because it has a pump on it. This one is great for anything that you're going to want to spray because it'll actually spray. And here's another spray one and another pump. So you're going to get 2 of them with little pumps for like lotions and liquid soaps, things like that. And you're going to have 2 with little sprays. And then they have this little piece here. And what I'm assuming this piece is, guys, is you can actually take it, and if you're going to need to get stuff into these bottles, it has the little tip here. We're going to put it down inside just like that, and then we would pour our liquid into it till we fill up the bottle. Then you can wash this out, and it even has a little place to hang it. So overall, guys, a great little travel kit. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it, and I will see you guys on the next review.